out in these stars.
It is 6:30 a.m. and Hubs is just strolling in with groceries, so I guess we're doing a grocery haul today. Hubs went to the store edition. Hubs grocery haul. We got corn, mixed vegetables, more mixed vegetables, Oreos, barbecue sauce, some seasoning because he's gonna make a cake, some garlic, eggs, milk, cream, eggnog, more cream, tri-tip, sausage, more tri-tip, pork chops, a steak, and of course chicken, ground turkey, some bacon, sausage, little smokies, pastrami, lunch meat, and then we have these plant-based meats for Samaya, also chili, and now he's going to make a homemade vegan chili or vegetarian chili for us for dinner tonight. Canned beans. Look at this. Cheater, pumpkin eater. Yes, I was totally clowning on the Hubs for using canned beans. He says we won't know the difference.
For the taste, it was absolutely on point. From the best cheese out there.
So he pretty much just put everything into the crock pot, and if I'm being honest, it does actually look and smell pretty amazing.
I mean, it's gonna taste amazing.
Okay, so it does smell amazing. I just walked in and it smells really delicious in here. Sean doesn't consider himself a baker, but every now and again he wants to get in the kitchen and bake from scratch. So today he's trying his hand at a red velvet cake. You doing it carefully?
Oops, I got some.
And compared to the last cake that he did, it actually turned out great. Later on, dinner was finally done, and this is the final outcome of our chili. It was super good. So I'm going to cut the cake.
She's stacked up.
And after bugging the entire day, the kids were finally able to eat the cake that Daddy made. It was a pretty good red velvet cake, if I do say so myself. Thank you guys for stopping by today's grocery haul and cook with me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.